how should I talk to my child about the God, right? Like if a child says, what is God? What should I say? So he says the best answer is to say, I don't know. And that is also a true answer.
Right.
And you can say, let's find out. So there is no need to impose your belief, A, B or C on a child. And then he took a pause. And then he said, this is actually the best answer to almost all questions your child asks.
I don't know.
I don't know. Let's find out. Because even when your child is asking what is that and you say this is sun, do you really know what is sun?
I've not experienced it.
So he said a good mind, we are too much in a hurry to give answers to children. We don't let them explore. A good mind needs to know how to explore towards an answer.
Right.
That's important. It's not important to get it right at the beginning, right? He said if you let the children be, they'll figure it out. And I think Sana was about 3.5 at that time. And I could see that I was giving her a lot of answers ready-made.
Right.
Like if she asked how does a fan work? So I will give her some answer which has electric motor and all. What does that mean? Do I even know how the motor works? How current works? I don't know. So that moment onwards, I, as much as possible, stopped giving her answers. And I was shocked to see that how much she knew and how much she could herself figure out, right? So I think if the concept of God is not clear to me, who am I to give it to my child, you see?